Alright, so we charged the battery pretty much all day yesterday. And now check out our output. With a fully charged battery, we're at idle, bouncing around 13.9 in climate. Our full speed much better. So our alternator's good, our battery's good, we are charging. So that's a positive. Had a nice phone call with Alan yesterday regarding this setup. There's supposed to be a separate belt and a tensioner. Power steering supposed to be its own belt, crank driven or crank and water pump driven. And then there's supposed to be a tensioner with its own belt on the AC compressor. That will omit our slip. If we want to see what that looks like, I can go show you over on Joey's Mustang. But he doesn't have power steering, but he has AC. But you'll get the concept.